IQS system can monitor the temperature of multiple people simultaneously through an infrared camera with more than 30,000 hotspots. Under the mutual controls between the standard temperature source and the microprocessor, the JKT IQS system can accurately detect the temperature of the people within a minimum error of plus minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. You can set the fever temperature at any time in the operation interface of the JKT IQS system. When none of the examinees in the measuring area reach the fever temperature, the system will only automatically display the temperature of the person with the highest body temperature. When a large number of people suddenly enter the measuring area, this won't confuse the examiner because of only the highest body temperature being shown on the screen instead of multiple temperatures. In this way, monitoring efficiency can be improved and the quarantine labor will be reduced. And if there are multiple people with fever entering the measuring area at the same time, the system will display the highest body temperature among them and the fever portions of each person with red dots, and issue an alert to remind the examiner's attention. The scanning scope of the infrared camera system of the JKT IQS system will cover the forehead portion of the human body, and 3 to 6 meters will be recommended as a measuring distance between the camera and the examinee. The distance between the examiner and the examinee will be extended accordingly. The risk of the examiner being infected with the virus will be reduced significantly. At present, the infrared camera systems have been widely developed around the world, but only a few systems can identify the temperature of a human body and that of an object. The scanning scope of the infrared camera of the JKT IQS system will cover the forehead portion of a human body. The system can automatically identify the temperature of a human body or that of an object and emit a warning sound due to the human body with a fever. Moreover, a temperature value will be appeared on the screen only when the object with the high temperature is detected, and the warning sound will not be triggered by the system. In this way, the misjudgment made by the examiner will be reduced. The tension and noise caused by on-site warning sound will also be reduced accordingly. The standard temperature source system of the JKT IQS system will adaptively adjust itself with a constant temperature according to the environment at any time. Whether in cold weather or in the desert, the temperature value of the examinee will not be affected by the surrounding environment. The JKT IQS system comprises 3 main parts: the infrared camera system, the standard temperature source system, and the microprocessor host system, and provides high mobility, fast and accurate detection. Only the TV or the computer screen and the tripod are needed to link with the JKT IQS system, and the system will help the quarantine personnel to monitor the entire measuring environment.
you.